Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on the legendary prancing horse brand with a closer look at the phenomenal 2024 Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Buckle up, gearheads, because this Italian masterpiece is about to redefine performance. The SF90 shatters expectations. Beneath that sleek hood lies a revolutionary hybrid powertrain. We're talking a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine working in concert with 3 electric motors. The result, a mind-blowing 1,000 horsepower, making the SF90 the most powerful Ferrari road car ever created. This translates to earth-shattering acceleration, 0 to 100 km/h in a mere 2.5 seconds. That's quicker than a fighter jet launch. The top speed, a staggering 340 km/h. Hold on tight. But the magic of the SF90 isn't just about raw power. The hybrid system allows for electric-only driving, making it surprisingly eco-friendly for a Ferrari. It's a true marvel of engineering. The SF90 isn't just about power, it's a feast for the eyes. The aerodynamically sculpted exterior is pure Ferrari, with aggressive lines and curves that scream performance. Every detail is meticulously crafted for both beauty and downforce. Interior: step inside the SF90, and you're greeted by a luxurious, driver-centric haven. Premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship create an ambience that's both sophisticated and sporty. The digital instrument cluster and central infotainment system provide all the information and connectivity you need, keeping you focused on the driving experience. For the ultimate track warrior,